restore WhatsApp chats without Google Drive, or recover your deleted chats without a backup. Now, WhatsApp actually works in a way that you take care of your own chats, which means that WhatsApp does not back up your chats for you because they don't have the data. If you choose to back up manually to your Google account, you can enable that within your settings. By backing up, I mean that if you open WhatsApp, you tap the three dots icon here, and then maybe you go to its settings, then you go to account, then you go to this option called chat, then you go to chat backup, and that if you've enabled backup, that's perfectly fine. This is a way that you manually back up your chats if you really need them, and you can select a Google account and it will back up to that Google Drive. But unfortunately, if you have not backed your chats to your Google account or anywhere else, like even iCloud, let's say if you're using an iPhone, in that case your WhatsApp chats cannot be recovered. The reason this happens is because WhatsApp is an end-to-end encrypted chats application, which means WhatsApp itself does not have the data. Even if you contact WhatsApp customer support, they cannot help you because WhatsApp does not store the data for you. You have to take care of your own chats. So unfortunately, this is the case. If in the future WhatsApp might come up with any type of update, then I will make sure to also update you about it. But for now, I hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.